Look at stock market. Stock markets are jumping today. I'm going to talk about two reasons why they were jumping and how long could they continue. And I'm going to talk about a few reasons why it could change anytime. That's very, very important. S&P 500 jumped 1.76%. It opened positive. That's very good. We want to see jump, a gap up at the open. Then after that it went up. It did not go down at all. Maybe a little bit here, a little bit dip, but it was not like before. It was going up, a little bit coming down, back up. It's close. 5 days, 2%. 1 month, 2.6%. Look at that. That's why I told you never miss 10 best trading days. Look at it. It will probably take only about the next 2 or 3 days to become positive. Year to date, 1.72%, possibly 2 or 3 days, trading days. Yes. Nasdaq, 2.27% open, gap up. Then after that, it went up. It closed higher. 5 days, 2.98%. Look at the jump. Look at this. And 1 month, 5.69%. Yeah, it's all right. We are just day 4. So we still have 6 more best trading days to make up for. Probably in the next 3 or 4 positive days, gonna make it up. Year to date, 5.66%. The same. Maybe the next 2 or 3 days of positive days will make it up. And look at that. Dow Jones, very decisive. Buyers won the day. Gap up, then after that open higher, coming down a little bit, then after that higher again. See, 5 days, 1.94%. 1 month, a little bit negative, 2.02%, but it will just take about 2 or 3 trading days to become positive. Year to date is already positive, 0.45%. 0.45%. That's why I say never miss 10 best trading days. If you miss it, even though you are invested for the rest of the year, your return may not be great. But still, your return is better than somebody who stays out of the stock market. So never get off the stock market. And that's my professional opinions. 5 years, 96.81%. S&P 500, Nasdaq, 142.44%. And 5 year, 126.94%. Yeah, the jump today is much better, decisive. So there is definitely a reason. Even Russell, open gap up, 2.55%. 5 days, 2.35%. 1 month, 3.16%. Year to date, 5.48%. Small caps may take a little bit longer time, depending on interest rate going down. If Jerome Powell comes out and say, hey, we're gonna cut interest rate again. Yeah, small caps could perform better than large cap, but I'm a large cap guy. I like large cap better over the long run. Okay, so one day very decisive. So reason number 2, White House narrows April 2nd tariffs. So initially we knew nothing about tariff. So everybody thought, oh, that could be disastrous. There is also large reciprocal tariff. If Trump imposed tariff on all the countries, all the 12 countries retaliate, that would be horrible. But now, you know what? There are some industrial sectors no longer expected to be unveiled. No longer expected to be tariff. Will be unveiled on that date, April 2nd. And so that means initially everybody thought it's every industry sector. Now, it's not every industry anymore. Now, initially everybody was thinking everybody, right, will be tariff. Now, major trading partners will still be hit with reciprocal tariff. So not everybody anymore. So stock market saw positive signs. Stock market was already oversold, right? So any positive news, they just jump. And this jump is really decisive. So it did not come down like before. A few weeks ago, any positive news jumped, but it came down. But starting from last week, Thursday, Friday, it opened negative. Then after that, it closed positive. So sellers were exhausted, right? Exhausted correction. So now Yeah, so I think, and also I talk about why the stock market jump. So in the last few videos I talk about it. You see, stock jumps, day 3 of the best trading day, 3 reasons why stock are up, stock jumps. So I talk about it. I said the probability of stock going down is very little. I talk about the probability, and that's why stock market kept going up. I think it's gonna keep going up, and the chance of going up is higher. PCE data is gonna come up, right? There could be a change anytime. If PCE data come out harder than expected, the stock market could dip a little bit, but I wouldn't say it would be much bigger dip because stock market is already exhausted. The coverage is already exhausted. It's almost bottom. Core PCE, I think it could be most likely positive, lower than expected. So the stock market could jump again on Friday. Look at this. Consumer sentiment, they could come in lower, but I don't think it's going to affect the stock market so much, as much as PCE data. So regardless of what's going to come out, I think tariff good news is much bigger than these news. But I need to could change. If these come out really bad, the stock market could dip. And reason number 1, the stock market could change, go down, because Canada PM Mark Carney calls for the snap election, right? So right now he's a temporary leader, prime minister. So April 28th, Canada is gonna elect new prime minister. So the policies could change. And he told Donald Trump, hey, until you recognize as a country, sovereign country, we're not gonna talk with you. We're not gonna negotiate with you, right? So that was strong. Yes, they should be strong. He was in banking industry, finance industry, so he knows about finance, pretty much good. And so he and the other Conservative Party leader will be competing. So who do they will be the next Prime Minister of Canada? Comment down below. Do you think he's gonna win, or do you think the Conservative Party, just like Republicans, do you think they're gonna win the leader? Comment down below. It doesn't matter what the news is. The most important thing is to stay invested. Don't miss the 10 best trading days. So today is just day 4. So we still have 6 best trading days to come to make up for all the losses and positive. So if you want to get started and want to learn more, you can go to Master Restore Option Crypto. And to go to my playlist, I talk about gold investing, advanced option trading, stock investing, option trading, forex trading, bond investing, a lot, so many cool stuff. So if you want to open a stock trading account, the link gonna be in the description, comment down below as well. You can get free stock and share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye.